Welcome to the Visible Ear Simulator tutorial videos. In this video, we will introduce learning support, tutorial, greenlighting, and progress bars. The tutorial offers detailed, step-by-step instructions for performing a mastoidectomy. It includes both images and text explanations, with guidance on how to obtain all 26 points on the modified Welling scale. Press the T key to toggle it on and off. You can move it using the arrow buttons located at the top of the panel. You can navigate between tutorial steps using the double arrow buttons at the bottom of the panel, but we strongly recommend using the in, next, and b, back keys instead. This helps you avoid switching to the mouse during drill sessions. Greenlighting is a learning aid that highlights the bone to be removed in each surgical step by coloring it green. It is highly effective for learning the mastoidectomy during your first few procedures. Afterward, it's advisable to turn it off and perform the procedure independently. Press the G key to turn greenlighting on or off, except in specific VES cases that award Welling scale points. Progress bars is a feature that continuously displays your progress toward each of the 26 points on the modified Welling scale. This can be helpful as real-time feedback during a drill session. Each bar gradually fills, and the corresponding point is awarded upon reaching 100%. If a point is lost, the bar turns red. Some points depend on others. For example, if you drill into a nerve, you will no longer be eligible for the point awarded for carefully identifying it. Press the F7 key to toggle the progress bars on or off. They appear in a separate window that overlays the main screen, as shown here. Outstanding! You are now ready to perform the simulated surgery. However, we recommend watching the final few videos for surgical tips that are useful for both the virtual and real-world procedures.